Something else I like to have in my bag is a suction cup. I purchased some off Dollar Tree years ago, but several of you have said we can't find them in Dollar Tree anymore. So I was cleaning out a closet and I found some Christmas decorations. And in those decorations, I found a suction cup with a little hook on it. So look around and see if you can find one. But I use these, I suction cup them to the shower door or to a tile wall when I'm traveling. And you can put a coat hanger on this, you can hang a shirt on it, you can dry a bathing suit on it, you can hang up your toiletry kit with that. So a suction cup with a hook is always a great thing to keep in your bag because I love to keep it in my bag. Something else I keep in my bag is a mirror. This was a giveaway at a place I had gone. It's just a simple little mirror, has a cover on it. The best use case for this is if you're flying in a plane and you need to take your contacts out, or you need to touch up your makeup, or you're in the hotel room and your husband's not there or your partner's not there and they don't have two mirrors so you can check the back of your head. And you're like, do I have that hole in the back of my head today? You just kind of want to check. This little handy mirror is very nice to have because you can check the back of your hair. And like I said, use it in a plane. I guess you could also, if you're on a deserted island, you can use it for signaling. But that's why it has a place in my bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.